How to turn off comments on Facebook post. So if you want to turn off comments on Facebook post or pages, then first you need to open up your Facebook application, and then you can go to the upper right corner which has that three bar icon, and then simply go for your profile. And after opening your profile, you can simply scroll down and choose any photo or any image that you would like to hide the comment. So I'll be choosing this first one. Now after choosing, on the upper right side of that post, you will have a three dots icon. Tap on that, and then here you will have who can comment on your post. So if you don't find this option, then you can go for edit post. Then you can go for edit privacy, and here you have to choose to public. And after choosing public, you will have this who can comment on your post, this option. So you can simply tap on that option, and then you can go for only friends or only profiles and pages you mention. So you can choose that and tap on done, and that's it. That's how you turn off your comments on your post. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.